皆さんおはようございます。サニウサですね。今日は雨が降っていますよ。なぜ今日はやだでもしょうがない。なんていう雨が降った時、その時は面白くないと思います。例えば、家から、全然出たくない。でも多分みんなは同じ気持ちがあるですね。そう。でも、今お腹が空いた。昨日の夜はこんな感じ。本当にあまりしか食べませんでしたから今超お腹が減った。でも今は6時半。早いよ。だから何食べるかな。でも食べ物必要があるよ。
She thought that cooking up dope in the crack pack came from nothing to something new. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang, they come and get you. Cry me a river, give me a tissue. A girl is bad and bougie, cooking up dough with the Uzi. When there's 7 bougies, we got 30s and 100 rounds too. A girl is bad and bougie, cooking up dough with the Uzi. My savage ruthless, we got 30s and 100 rounds too. Smoking on cookie on the hot pot. She thought that cooking on dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something hit her. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Called up the gang, they come and get you. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Oh, bad and bougie, cooking up dope with the Uzi. Girl, savage, ruthless, we got 30s and 100 rounds too. My girl is bad and bougie, cooking up dope with the Uzi. My hitters is savage, ruthless, we got 30s and 100 rounds.